Mastering English. Making plans, reservations, and buying tickets. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we are going to focus on an important part of conversational English: making plans for socializing, making reservations, and buying tickets. Knowing how to make plans, book tickets, and secure reservations is vital when you want to enjoy social events with friends, family, or even for work-related gatherings. Let's dive in and learn the essential phrases and questions you need to know. One of the key elements of planning a social event is being able to express your plans and intentions in English. Here are some useful phrases. I am planning to attend the concert next weekend. Would you like to join me for dinner tomorrow? Let's go to the movies this Friday. We should visit the new art exhibition downtown. Remember, it's often polite to use modal verbs like would, could, should when making suggestions or invitations. When it comes to securing your spot at restaurants, hotels, or events, here are some phrases and questions you can use. I would like to make a reservation for 2 at your restaurant. Could I book a table for 4 people this Friday night? Do you have any rooms available this weekend? Is it possible to reserve seats for the theater play? These phrases can help you ensure your reservations are made successfully. If you're planning to attend a concert, movie, or theater show, you'll need to know how to inquire about and purchase tickets. Let's look at some helpful sentences. I'd like to buy 2 tickets for the evening show. Can I get 4 tickets for the concert next Sunday? What's the price for each ticket? Are there any discounts for students or seniors? Being able to ask these questions will help you buy tickets with ease. After you've made your plans, it's always good to confirm them. Here are some phrases that can help. So, we're meeting at the restaurant at 7 p.m., right? Just to confirm, our reservation is for this Friday. I've got the tickets for our movie. We should arrive at least 15 minutes early. Confirming plans ensures that everyone is on the same page and avoids confusion. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope these phrases and tips will be helpful for you when you're making plans, making reservations, and buying tickets. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to use these phrases in your daily conversations and practice with your friends. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to our next lesson. Happy learning!